Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a really cute dinosaur step by step. So without any further ado, let's get on with this video. So first, I'm going to start with drawing the head of the dinosaur. Here I just drew the body and the arms for the dinosaur. Now I'm drawing the spikes around its body and its tail. Now I'm drawing the eyes for the dinosaur. You can draw different eyes as well, since there are different ways to do it. Now I'm using the light pink, black, light green, dark green, and the Sharpie to trace out the dinosaur. And I also kept another sheet of paper underneath so that the Sharpie doesn't leak through the paper. Also, don't forget to erase any remaining pencil marks so they are not seen. Now I'm using the light green marker to trace inside of the dinosaur just like I did with the black Sharpie. And again, this is optional. You don't have to do this step. You could just leave it in black Sharpie. Now I'm using my green pencil crayon to color in the dinosaur. So here is the completed cute dinosaur. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you know every time I post a new video. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.